ECS, Institutes of Digital Technologies India Private Limited, experts since 2000, India's #1 hardware chip level and mobile training center. ECS offering computer hardware, hardware and networking, computer hardware chip level, advanced diploma in computer chip level, laptop chip level repairing course, mobile phone repairing course, hardware and software. About ECS, that is E-Computer Solutions, Mr. Mahesh Bhoyer is the Managing Director of ECS Institute of Digital Technologies India Private Limited.
Hi friends, I am Mahesh Bhoyer. I started ECS Institute of Digital Technology in year of 2000 with an idea to provide self-employment, employment to unemployment people. So we are offering courses like computer hardware chip level, advanced diploma in computer chip level, laptop chip level and mobile repairing courses. We are getting students from other state like Orissa, Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, Bihar and more. We are getting students not only from India, so we are getting the students from other countries. So like Sudan, South Africa, Nigeria, Djibouti, Yemen and more. I wish all the students who have completed their courses in ECS for their better future.
He started in 2000 with an idea to provide self-employment and started successfully. Established hardware networking chip level mobile repairing training centers in Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh and trained thousands of students from different districts of AP and states of India. Also, other countries like South Africa, Somalia, Ethiopia, Oman, Nepal and more. ECS is a leading mobile repairing training institute in Hyderabad and one of the best in India with a well-established training center. ECS is a pioneer in hardware, chip level repairing, provide quality training in the field, computer hardware and mobile phone. The training method adopted by ECS is unique. Each student gets personalized individual training and practice. After completing ECS courses, there are pool of job opportunities and self-employment. Career options like network administrator, messaging administrator, server support engineers, PC desktop support engineers, system administrator, technical support executives, mobile technician for reputed companies, laptop chip level repairing technician and more. About ECS Consultancy. ECS Consultancy established with a focus on recruitment and human resources services. We strongly believe that our people are the key to our ability to render exceptional services consistently and sincerely. The individual member of our training and development team is screened and put through an effective selection process. After completion of course, students can apply for ECS Consultancy for pool of job opportunities. Note: ECS Consultancy for ECS students only. Mobile shops. ECS has its own mobile stores, outlets to provide accessories, connections, repairs, etc. in the city. Training centers, well-equipped training center, expert trainers. Our franchisees, head office, Amirpet. Franchisee, Dilsukhnagar, Amirpet, Medipatnam, Secunderabad, Mehboob-Nagar. About Dilsukhnagar franchisee. Our franchisee running successfully. Well-structured classrooms, well-equipped labs, expert trainers, fully practical training. ECS Call Center. ECS established call center to help the students. ECS Management. Managing Director, General Manager, Assistant Manager, Supervisor, Mobile Technical Head, Chip Level Technical Head, Hardware Technical Head, Accounting Department, Project Manager, Mobile Software Head, Administrative Department Head, Lab Maintenance Head, Marketing Department Head, Material Department Head, Office Boys, Front Office Executives, ECS Consultancy Head, ECS Mobile Repairing Course. The power of mobiles. Today, there are nearly 4.5 billion mobile phones users, about 50% of world population using mobile phones. Dr. Martin Cooper, who invented the technology of the modern cell phone, mobile phone manufacturers and service providers, Nokia, Samsung, LG, Motorola, Sony Ericsson. Service providers, Vodafone, Airtel, Aircel, BSNL, Uninor and more. Why we should join mobile repairing course? There is a huge shortage of mobile technician to look after our growing demand of mobile repairing. As you know very well, more than 1 billion population using services, that there is massive unemployment on one side, and huge demand of mobile phone technician on the other side. Huge earning chances in mobile repairing. Mobile repairing courses has become number one course as it gives instant access to self-employment, money, position. Mobile repairing course in huge demand. ECS offering mobile repairing course. India's number one mobile chip level repairing center. Duration 2 months, no age limit, limited seats. Why ECS? ECS is a leading mobile repairing training institute in Hyderabad and one of the best in India with a well-established training center. We provide computerized mobile training from the basic to chip level repairing. Excellent features of ECS. Proven track record, experienced faculty, continuously updated syllabus and course content, international standard infrastructure, fully equipped modern labs, innovative teaching skills, lifetime technical backup, placement assistance, training with stipend, free demo, unlimited lab facility, free toolkit and material, personal attention to each student, doubt clearing session, seminars and events for updating knowledge to old and new students. ECS has the biggest and dedicated support for all its candidates. ECS provide employment and self-employment assistance. ECS mobile repairing course. Highlights of our course and syllabus. Mobile repairing course. Become mobile technician in just 2-month course and start your own business. Basic electronics, analog, digital, AC current, DC current, resistor, capacitor, diode, transistor, transformer, fuse, coil, inductor, semiconductor, soldering and desoldering. How to use multimeter, how to check components, circuit tracing and more. Mobile hardware repairing and servicing. Introduction of cell phone, basics of cell phone, components identification, section identification, battery used in cell phone, charging section, power section, audio section, network section, tracing in motherboard, SIM card problems, IC reballing, mobile jumpering, checking process of set dead condition, Bluetooth camera section, burning test, display strip, troubleshooting, no display, no power, ringer vibrator, mic, speaker, keypad section, checking of display LED, keypad LED, mobile software and troubleshooting, flashing, locking and unlocking, network problem, security code system, IMEI numbering, phone lock, contact service, local mode, insert SIM card, set dead, data cable connectivity, widescreen display, set hanging, set blinking, mobile multimedia technologies, software installation, formatting of cell phone, virus cleaning, Bluetooth technology, infrared technology, usage of card reader, downloading of images, ringtones converter, wallpaper converters, MP3 to ringtones, big MP3 to small MP3, video songs to video clips, movie clips, themes and more. After completing the mobile repairing course, our students set up their own business.
హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, నా పేరు రాము. నేను శ్రీకాకుళం జిల్లా నుంచి వచ్చాను. నేను మొబైల్ రిపేరింగ్ కోర్సులో ఈసీసీ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్లో జాయిన్ అయ్యాను. ఇక్కడ చాలా బాగా కోచింగ్ ఇస్తున్నారు. నేను ఇంతకుముందు చాలా ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్లో వెళ్ళాను, కానీ ఇంత బాగా ఎక్కడా చెప్పలేదు. ఇక్కడ ల్యాబ్ ఫెసిలిటీ కూడా చాలా బాగుంది. బర్నింగ్ టెస్టులు కూడా చేయిస్తున్నారు. నేను కోరుకున్నది ఏమనుకుంటే మీరు కూడా ఇదే ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్లో జాయిన్ అవ్వాలని నేను కోరుకుంటున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
ಹಾಯ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ವಿಜಯ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ವಿಜಿ. ನಾನು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಿಂದ ಬೀದರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಕಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ರಿಪೇರಿಂಗ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಹಾಗೆ ನಾನು ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ರಿಪೇರಿಂಗ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ECS ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಒಂದು ಉತ್ಸಾಹ ನೋಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ECSಯಿಂದ ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನನ್ನ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ನನಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಆದರೆ ನಾನು ECSಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ನನ್ನ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಒಂದು ಮಾರ್ಗ ಅಂತ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ, ನಾನು ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Now, decision is in your hand. Join today at your place. ECS Mobile Repairing Course. Duration 2 months. For more details, you can log on www.ecstechno.com or contact Mr. Mahesh on 9948023745.
मेरा नाम सिद्धार्थ भट्ट है. मैं नेपाल से हूँ और ECS इंस्टीट्यूट में कंप्यूटर चिप लेवल हार्डवेयर कोर्स किया हूँ.
Hi, this is Firoz. I am from Guntur district. Completed my courses from ECS Technologies. And ఇక్కడ నేను అన్ని మదర్ బోర్డ్, ల్యాప్టాప్ అండ్ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ నేను ఇక్కడ అన్ని కోర్సెస్ చెక్ చేశాను. అండ్ ఇక్కడ మెయిన్ ఏంటంటే హైదరాబాద్లో చాలా ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. సో రిగార్డింగ్ దిస్ ఆల్ ది ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్స్, ఈసీఎస్ ఈజ్ ది వెరీ డిఫరెంట్ ఏ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ది ఆల్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్స్. సో ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే మనకి ఇన్ఫ్రాస్ట్రక్చర్ కానీ, మనకి ల్యాబ్ కానీ, మనకి థియరిటికల్ కానీ అన్నీ మనకి ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఈజ్ వెరీ గుడ్ ఫ్రమ్ ఆల్ ది అదర్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్స్. సో రిగార్డింగ్ ఏంటంటే నాకు యాక్చువల్గా ఆఫ్టర్ దిస్ కంప్లీట్ ఆఫ్ ది ఈసీఎస్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్, సో నాకు అబ్రాడ్లో కూడా జాబ్ వచ్చింది. యాక్చువల్గా నేను సౌదీ అరేबिया వెళ్తున్నాను ఇప్పుడు నేను.
हाय फ्रेंड्स, मी कपिल भद्रे आणि मी महाराष्ट्रातून आलेलो आहे. मी इथं कम्प्युटर हार्डवेअर चिप लेवलचा कोर्स लावलेला आहे आणि माझा कोर्स इथे थेरॉटिकल आणि प्रॅक्टिकल एकदम मस्त प्रकारे करून घेतलेलं आहे आणि माझा भविष्यात प्लॅन आहे की मला पण एक इन्स्टिट्यूट टाकायचं आहे आणि मला मित्रांना सांगावंसं वाटते की तुम्ही पण ECS जॉईन करा.
ECS Computer Hardware and Networking, India's #1 hardware and networking training center. The number of PC users is expected to hit or exceed 1 billion in India. Computer hardware is the combination of the different physical parts of computer. Networking is the practice of linking a group of 2 or more computer systems for the purpose of sharing information and data. The professional associated with the discipline of research of computer hardware and developments of computer network are known as hardware and networking engineers. Recent survey revealed that hardware sectors in India is expected to grow above the 60 billion landmark. Hardware and networking jobs in India growing in potential. Hardware engineers are in huge demand. Companies are searching for talent like you. ECS offering hardware and networking. Duration 2 months, no age limit, limited seats. Why ECS? ECS is a leading computer hardware and networking training institute in Hyderabad and one of the best in India with a well-established training center. We provide computerized hardware and networking from the basic to chip level repairing. Syllabus: Computer Hardware Course, Introduction of Computer, Microprocessor, CPU, Motherboards, RAM, I/O slots and I/O cards, SMPS, FDD, HDD, CD-ROM, CD writer, keyboard and mouse, monitor, partition and formatting, installation of operating systems, MS-DOS, Windows 95, 98, ME, XP, Windows 2000, 2003, Vista, Linux. Installation of devices, installation of VGA, AGP drivers, installation of sound card drivers, installation of webcam, digital cam, installation of printers, installation of modem, installation of application software, MS Office, Visual Studio, C, C++ and other softwares, PC assembling, BIOS setup, troubleshooting, PC problem, peripheral problems, operating systems probes and application software, virus and antivirus. Now, decision is in your hand. Join today at your place. ECS Hardware and Networking course. Duration 2 months. No age limit, limited seats. For more details, you can log on www.ecstechno.com or contact Mr. Mahesh on 9948 023 745. ECS Laptop Repairing Course, Chip Level Repairing. By the end of the 1980s, many laptops manufacturers had developed fairly similar machines all about ranging from the size of A4 to A3. By the mid-90s, only technology has improved the laptops. Longer batteries as well as huge hard drives. Now the laptop a serious challenger for the desktop. Major brands of laptops: Acer, Apple, HP, Lenovo, Dell, Sony, Toshiba and more. The main feature of the laptop is that it allows the user to use it while traveling. A lot people have laptops now, so they can do work and social networking. At the same time, there is a huge demand of laptop chip level repairing technician in the market. ECS offering